my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. As I always strive to devotee of its, as I respect my parents, teachers and elders, as I treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion, Indian well-being and prosperity along fly my happiness. Thank you, sir.